morning, good afternoon, good evening, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Stacy and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. Alright, you guys are getting 2 videos a week for the next 2 months, I believe, if I looked at my schedule right, all the way to the end of October. So welcome to a Wednesday video. And yeah, I got a delivery a few days ago. So if you guys want to know about what's in this box and why this box looks like this, stay tuned. All right, my box looks like it's been through hell. So today is Monday as I record this. You're gonna get this on Wednesday. Friday I came home from running errands because I was off on Friday, and I got I got 2 deliveries, this and the shoe you're gonna see on Sunday. Yes, I'm giving away Sunday's video. It's a shoe. Anyway, this box looked like this when I got it. As you guys can see, let me flip it to this way. Box is completely damaged. I mean, what the heck is going on with this box? So I get the box and the guy at the front desk was like, this is how it came. I said, oh, I know that. I could tell. You know, I knew it wasn't him going through my box. So I'm like, okay, UPS, what are we doing here? I mean, for real, this is UPS. Wasn't this UPS? Yes, it is. I haven't taken the tag off. I got to take the tag off. So Saturday morning, I'm cleaning. I'm on the phone. I'm on FaceTime. And I was asked to actually open the box to see if it's okay. And I was like, you know what? Yeah. Because normally, as you all know, I open these boxes with you all so you guys can see it first. You all see it in real time like I do. But this box I had to open ahead of time. So as you guys can see, I mean, this box was crushed. They basically crushed the box, as you can see, and then taped it back up. My suspicion is they saw it was from Nike. They crushed the box. Now, part of this tab was off. So I think what they did was they crushed the box, checked and saw the size and saw it was a 7.5 men's and said, oh no, it's too small for us, and just taped it back up. And then here's my actual Nike box. My Nike box is damaged. I mean, it's looks like it got the hell beat out of it. Excuse my language. So yeah, so let's just get on with the get on. Gray and white Nike box, gray box with the white Nike logo on the front. And I mean, look at it right here. I mean, guys, come on. I was like, seriously. So the box reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG colorway, stealth and white. So you guys know what this is. I was able, actually this was the second shoe of the day, and I didn't do this in order, but that's okay. I was able to secure the Jordan 1 High Stealths on drop day last week. Here's the funny thing about this. I'm gonna talk about this as I am pulling the shoe out. Oh, and also the size is men's 7.5. Forgot that part. Well, no, I think I said it already. Now, I had to I went on and opened the box, make sure it was okay, make sure my shoe was in the box, because I have seen some stuff on Instagram that people will open their box and it's a pair of beater 3000s in there and not the sneaker that they bought. So I had to go in and make sure that my actual shoe was in the box. Thank God my shoe was in the box. I have a small men's foot but a large women's foot, so it's, you know, one of those things. So let me quit rambling. Wow. This is the shoe right here. Funny, okay, I got this on drop day. This and a different Jordan was coming out on the same day. And you're going to see that Jordan on Sunday. What happened? How did I end up getting the shoe? Here's the funny thing. I wasn't even going to go for the shoe. I was going to double back for it. Like if I saw it in store, I was going to double back and get it. But I ended up just grabbing it because I got the one shoe when it dropped. It wasn't a draw. Thank God it wasn't a draw. Let me show the inside of the shoe also. So you can see that stealth gray on the inside with the white Nike Air label on the inside. And what it was like, okay, the shoe dropped at 9 o'clock Central. So I was like, I bet that. Let me go ahead. I'll grab it. I grabbed the next week's shoe. I'm sorry, Sunday shoe. And it was like 9:59. This shoe was still there. I was like, you know what? Pull out I was like, let me go ahead and get it. And I just went on and grabbed it. And like I said, it wasn't a shoe I was absolutely going for. And I think part of the, I don't know. It was, as you guys know, I was kind of on the fence on this shoe. I'm not going to say, I was on the fence on this shoe. Really, I really was. I didn't know if I was going to get that. But here's the shoe up close. The shoe is predominantly white with the stealth gray on the swoosh, toe cap, on the Nike Air, on the tongue. The wings are imprinted in the gray. You have a pair of stealth gray laces. Like I said, your sole is the stealth gray with Nike Air. There it is, with Nike Air and written in white. This is the left shoe, as you guys know. I'm sorry, I'm a little out of sorts because of the damage to the shoes. We also get a white lace. From what I'm hearing, Nike is trying to be a little bit more more sustainable, and instead of putting the laces in the little plastic bags, they're doing cardboard so you can recycle it, which I think is a pretty cool idea. I don't have an issue with it at all. And it's already come laced with the stealth gray laces. One thing that I did hear about this shoe, that the leather is goat leather. I don't know how true that is. And on the tongue, it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever. And then there's a goat imprinted. Hopefully, there we go. Focus in right there. It's pretty cool to see that on this shoe. If you guys have the Heritage, it's the same color blocking as the Heritage. Change the gray and put in the red. So it's, like I said, it's a pretty cool shoe. Like I said, I was going to double back for it. I wasn't going to go grab it right now because Nike's been doing a ton of restocks. So I was like, let me think. I'll think on it. And I got these off the sneakers app. But if you go on Nike, on the Nike app or Nike.com, they're over there. They actually hit the Nike site and Nike app later on that day. So they still have them in stock. If you don't have them, go get them. I know I've seen them in store. So if you can't, you can still grab them. But I'm going to stop rambling. Y'all here for one thing. I know y'all here for one thing and one thing only. Y'all want to see how the heck I put it together. So on to the fashions. Okay, for my first look, I went fall, basically, because if I could pan the phone over and you guys can look to my right, it looks like fall outside, but I think it's like 75 degrees. So we're gonna make it fall appropriate. I went with this sweatshirt, this hooded sweater dress from H&M, with some leggings from Target. This is from the A New Day collection. They're actually fleece lined, so they're really warm. For the bag, I went with the Burberry Graffiti Tote. It is actually a reversible bag. Normally see it on a different side, but I wanted to do the gray, black, and white side. I actually threw on a little extra accessory. This is my hat I got from Target. And also, as you guys know, the shoe, the Jordan 1 High Stealths. I just wanted to do just regular gray with gray and black, and then the white be the pop on this outfit with the white in the bag and the white on the shoe. This is really comfortable, nice, comfortable outfit. The shoes are pretty comfortable. As you guys know, every time I talk about the Jordan, I always say they're really comfortable. And they are. They're comfortable for me. So let's get on the floor so you guys can see these up close and you guys can see the leather and how nice it is. Okay, and here's the shoe up close so you guys can see that leather and how nice, and it's a really soft leather. And on, like I said, on the inside of the sock liner, I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can get in. You can see that it's actually like a suede on the inside. Maybe it's a nubuck. I don't know. But the shoe, like I said, the shoe is really, really comfortable. Let me show you guys it from the front so you guys can see it a little bit better. And here's the inside of the shoe. And here's the backs of them. But yeah, the shoe is really comfortable. They look great on my feet. This is going to be a shoe I'll be able to wear with a lot of my winter and fall things, because in winter and fall, it's not just black, it becomes black and gray. So these shoes are going to be perfect to add to my wardrobe. All right, and this for this outfit, I went with this gray turtleneck dress from Forever 21. Got this some years ago. For the bag, I went with my MCM graffiti bag, which is weird. I'm doing 2 tote bags called graffiti, but hey, we're gonna go with it. Anyway, for the sneaker, we are going with the Jordan 1 High Stealths, which you guys know, I keep saying it, but just in case you forgot, I wanted to do a dress with this look. I almost forgot I had this dress until I was trying to find something to wear with this, and I was like, oh, wait a minute, I got this gray dress that I haven't worn in a while. This is super comfortable. I use the word super and comfortable a lot because my wardrobe is comfortable. So, but yeah, here is the tote bag with the dress and the sneaker. Let's get on the floor one more time. Let's look at this sneaker up close and personal. Okay, and here's the shoe one more time up close. You can see the leather. The leather is really soft on this shoe. Just to let you guys know. I'm trying not to crease the front, but they're just so soft, and they are comfortable. This is a shoe I didn't think would be as comfortable as they are, but they are like really, really comfortable. And I'm wearing like no-show socks, so the suede around the ankle feels really good around my ankle. But yeah, this shoe, if you are able to double back, if you're able to go back and grab these on the Nike site, I'd really advise you to do it. Even though I did have that bit of an experience of how my box looks, I don't regret the purchase. I don't regret the purchase at all. I'm extremely happy about the shoe. And like I said, my fall and winter wardrobe is a lot of gray. So this is going to go with a lot of stuff that I own. Okay, I hope you guys like the fashions that I pulled, and I am actually filming this video very quick because like I said, today is Monday. You guys are gonna get this video on Wednesday. This video really should have went Sunday, but I'm gonna do it now because of the damage to the box. And I'm not, oh Lordy Lord, I don't even know what to say. I really don't. I'm just happy I got my shoes. My shoes are correct. Make sure they are the right size. They are a US 7.5. That's my size. So, I don't even know what to say right now. I did have a boot, where I used to live. I had bought the, sleek boots from Adidas for the Beyonce Ivy Park. I forgot which one. I think it was the Winter Park one. And FedEx threw them over a fence. I have a picture. I don't even know what to say. And this is UPS, and I've never had UPS issues before. Now, UPS, y'all, I don't know what the hell y'all problem is, but I don't know. I don't even know. And I don't even know. Anyway, let me get back. Let me give you guys the shoe up close one more time. This is the Nike Air Jordan High Stealths. The colorway is stealth and white. White is predominantly all over the shoe. The stealth gray is on the toe cap, the swoosh around the top and the back. The wings are imprinted into the gray. Your tongue is white with Nike Air written in white on a gray label. It's laced with the gray. They come laced with the stealth gray laces. You can also, they also come with a white lace. Your insole is in stealth gray with Nike Air written in white. Around the sock liner, it's suede. It's actually a suede sock liner, which is really nice around the top and the back of the gray. And your sole is also in stealth gray, and your midsole is in white. Like I said, it comes with a white lace too if you want to switch it up and do a white lace on this. I think I'm going to keep it with the gray lace since the eyelets are white. As you guys know, I like to switch up the laces on my shoes and stuff. So that's it. Oh no, I'm not done. The leather, I heard people were talking about quality issues with the leather on Nike. Mine is pretty good. I actually like it. It's a little cracked. I'm okay with it being like, you know, little cracked and stuff, but I've had really, you know, knock on wood, I've had pretty good luck with quality issues with Nike, and hopefully you guys do too. So I'm going to get out of here. Like I said, I'm a little frazzled from this box situation. It got me a little frazzled, so, and I'm not real happy about that. So that is it for this video. I'm going to get out of here. If you guys like videos like this and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing are free of charge to everyone involved, including myself. Also, if you guys want to read something, go over to my blog, sneakersandhandbags.net. Blogs normally come out on Wednesdays, 9 a.m. And this video will come out Wednesday, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. So that's all. I'm going to get out of here. I need to lace these up, get the fashion portion film, which I'm not going to film tonight because it is 7:20. And it's Memorial Day weekend, and a lot of things have been happening around here. You guys can probably notice the background has shot up. If you guys want me to talk about that, let me know. I will. I'll give you guys a little mini tour of the new change that has happened in here. That is it. I'm gonna get out of here, and that's it. Love, peace, hair products, tech, sneakers, handbags, and all that fun stuff. Bye.